Are you a candidate looking for teaching jobs in India and the UAE? Connect with AcadsHR. We can do this using AcadsHR website and mobile app. So in this video we will see how to find jobs using AcadsHR mobile app. To do this, open Play Store and search AcadsHR app. Now install AcadsHR app and open it. So here are simple steps to start. Create your profile. Apply for jobs. And land your dream job. Now, to start applying jobs, we have to first log in our AcadsHR account. For this, click Profile icon. And select Login option. Now, on this page enter your email ID, password, and click Login. You can also log in using your Google account. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up to create a new account. Here, enter your email ID. Enter desired password. And click this checkbox to accept terms and conditions. After filling all details, click Sign Up. Now we have to complete these 5 steps to start applying for jobs. Step 1. Enter your full name, mobile number, current working location, select gender, and then click Update. Step 2. Choose qualification details and select course type. We can add more qualification by clicking Add Qualification button. After filling all details, click Update. Step 3. Select employment type and mention your skills. Step 4. Enter your expected salary, select job preferences, and click Update. Step 5. Upload your resume here. To upload, select Resume from mobile storage and click Update. Congratulations, we have successfully registered and can apply for jobs. Now, here jobs are showing on map. By clicking here we can change view type like this and now it starts showing jobs list. Here all jobs are showing. We can also search jobs by typing job title here. And by clicking filter button we can filter jobs according to location, job type, salary, etc. Now for example, I am interested in this job. We can apply this job from here, or by clicking on this job we can see more details about this job. Here we can see all details about this job. Now to apply for this job, click Apply Now button. Here, entering cover letter is optional, but including it will increase your chances to get shortlisted. Now, click Submit button and we have successfully applied for this job. Likewise, we can explore more jobs. And by clicking this star button, you can save interested jobs and can apply later. Now select Jobs options. Here recommend jobs are showing. By clicking Saved Jobs, you can access your saved jobs anytime and can apply. By clicking on Applied Jobs option, you can see status of your applied jobs. In notification option you will get important notification about applied jobs. So this is the complete process of applying a job with AcadsHR and start finding right job that suits you. Thank you for watching the video.